Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the AC condenser on Opel Combo. The AC condenser is located on the front of the engine, just behind the front bumper. In order to get access to the AC condenser, first we need to remove the front bumper. To remove the front bumper, we need to remove those bolts right there. And there's some bolts here on the side that we need to remove, and if there is an engine under tray, we need to remove the bolts on the engine under tray. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the side. We need to remove that bolt right there, and we're going to remove those clips for the wheel arch liner as well. And then we're going to remove the bolt holding the bumper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video, I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Now that those bolts are removed, we have access to the bolt inside. In my case, the bolt is right there on the outside, because it's something somebody has put on, but in most cases the bolt is on the inside, and you just need to remove that bolt. Here you can see I removed the bolt and the front bumper is now free. Now I'm gonna go on the other side and remove the bolt holding the bumper on this side. In my case, the bolt is on the outside as well. I'm going to remove that bolt, but in your case, it will probably be just underneath the wheel arch liner. Here in my case there is another bolt holding the bumper to the arch liner here on the bottom, and you might have some bolts on the engine under tray, but if there is no more bolts, that's how you remove the front bumper. Now you need to disconnect the electrical connector, and then you can remove the bumper completely. Next, I'm going to remove the AC condenser fan. It's located right there. This is the AC condenser right there. Before removing the fan, first we're going to remove this metal plate, which is held by 3 bolts on both sides. Now that the bolts are removed, we're going to lift it out and put it to the side. Next, I'm going to remove this plastic thing because it's in our way. We just need to pull it out. Next, I'm going to remove the AC condenser fan. First, I'm going to remove the electrical connector. There is a tab on there that you need to pull out and then pull it up. Here, to remove the AC condenser fan, you need a screwdriver to push this pin in and lift up the AC condenser fan. Here you can see the AC condenser fan went up. Now I'm going to pull it out. And there's the AC condenser fan out. Next, I'm going to remove the AC condenser. This is the AC condenser. It's held by this bolt right there, another bolt which is right there, and also need to disconnect the AC lines. First, we're going to remove those two bolts. Next, we're going to remove the bolt, the nut holding the AC lines. The nut will need to go underneath the car, and the bolt, that's bolt, it's right there. We need to remove that bolt and then take out the AC lines. That's the bolt out. Now we need to take out the AC lines, but they don't seem to want to come out, so I'm going to use a screwdriver to pry them out. That's the AC lines out. Now I'll show you a closer view. There is a metal O-ring or seal that we need to replace before putting on the AC lines back onto the new AC condenser. Next, we're going to take out the AC condenser. You need to wiggle the AC condenser a little bit and it will come out. And that's the AC condenser out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. That's the new AC condenser. Before putting it on, make sure it's exactly the same, and make sure you put some oil in there. That's the part number for it. Before putting on the new AC condenser in its place, I'm going to put about 50 milliliters of pack 46 oil. That's an AC oil, and you need to put around 50 milliliters. Next, I'm going to remove those metal seals and clean the space a little bit, and then I'm going to put on the new seals and put the AC condenser on. Now I'm going to put on the new AC condenser and assemble everything in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.